Okay. For your information, di ako nagpa-chat GPT, ah. Anyway. Okay. Anne Maristel. So, first of all, I thank God first for allowing me to feel what it's like to be loved by such a wonderful woman. Wala pa to. Thank you, Lord, kasi binigyan mo ako ng chance to experience the joy, happiness, at blessings na kasama ng babaeng nasa harapan ko ngayon. Salamat, Lord, dahil sinagot mo yung dasal ko. At higit sa lahat, salamat dahil binigyan mo ako ng chance na mahalin si Anne, ang babaeng pakakasalan ko ngayon. Ito na. Okay. Anne, marami akong... Wala pa to, guys. Wala pa. Kaya ko to. Marami akong dapat ipasalamat sa'yo. Sa 7 years, nakasama kita, gusto kong malaman mo na sobrang fruitful ng buhay ko. Sa up and downs, sa mga rock bottom, tira natin, nasabay natin natagumpayan. From apartment na halos kama lang ang laman, from cooler to refrigerator, from cellphone data to internet connection, from electric fan to aircon, from nakikilaba to sariling washing machine. PS5 na lang talaga yung kulang. Marami pang iba. Alam ko maliit na bagay ito sa paningin ng iba, pero pakiramdam ko, tayo yung pinakamasayang couple. Habang pinag-uusapan nyo. So, ayun. 2025 is a tough year. Especially sa akin. Emotionally, physically, career, and lahat. Pero like I always said, mangyari na lahat sa akin to, huwag lang sa'yo. Mawala man ako, magkaroon ka lang. Nasaktan man ako, sumaya ka lang. Ayoko maranasan mo yung mga pain, yung lahat ng sakit kasi hindi ko deserve. I always keep on praying to Lord to protect you from all these pains. Oh Lord, please. Pero kinaya natin lahat. Kinaya ko lahat. Kasi kasama kita. Mas hindi mo ako pinabayaan. Mas hindi mo ako iniwan. Mas inintindi mo ako. You always uplift me. Lagi mo sinasabi. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yun. Madali na lang yung sa'yo. Kahit sa mga panahon ako na mismo nagdududa sa sarili ko. Simula nung makilala kita, hindi ko na-feel na mag-isa ako sa buhay. Kaya siguro kung tatanungin ako kung ano ang summary ng buhay ko kasama ka, sobrang saya mong mahalin. Ang saya-saya mong mahalin. Isang bagay na gusto kong gawin habang nabubuhay ako. I'm so grateful na ikaw ang kasama ko hanggang sa huling hininga ko. Kaya sa marriage life natin at sa bubuhay nating pamilya, I will promise that I'll continue to support you, praise you, and love you. I will never leave you. Sa panahong masaya ka, nandito ako. Sa panahon need mo ng comfort room, kahit nasa grab car pa tayo, ako ang tagabot ng timba mo. Sa panahong malungkot ka, kasama mo ako, hindi ka mag-iisaan. Sabay nating i-build ang dream life natin. Masaya ako dahil lahat ng pangarap na yon, ikaw ang kasama ko. Sabi nga nila, mas makikilala mo ang isang tao kapag magkasama kayo sa isang bubong. Well, tama nga sila. For almost 7 years na magkasama tayo sa isang roof, mas nakilala kitaan. At sa pagkakilala ko sa'yo, ikaw ang gusto kong kasama habang buhay. I love you, Maristel. Okay na po.
I've been waiting for this day for 2,557 days. And all I can say is, it was worth every single one. Happy 7th anniversary, John Orland. After 7 years of choosing each other, everything we've been through led us here to this moment. Okay. So, they say it takes a village to help someone achieve something, to help someone grow. And today, I stand here realizing something important. You have been my village. When I told you I wanted to leave my corporate job, you did not hesitate. You let me find a work from home job, even when it took me 3 long months before I finally landed one. Hindi mo ako minadali, hindi ka nagduda sa kakayanan ko. When I told you I wanted to go to college, kasi nga, wala pang nakakapag-college yung family namin. And nag-worry ako na kailangan ko mag-stop ng work that time. Pero thank you, Lord, kasi nagkaroon ako ng opportunity para mag-continue parehas. You just said yes right away. And you supported me emotionally and mentally every step of the way. And when I jokingly asked you kung pwede ko bang dalhin pa rin yung apelido naming Roque pag gumraduate ako because I want to give that achievement to my family, you said yes with no question. You never tried to make my dreams smaller to fit into your life. Instead, you made room for them. Even when it meant stretching yourself. Even when life was already asking so much from you. And somewhere along the way, doon ko na-realize kung bakit sobrang safe kong mag-build ng life kasama ka. Kasi dati akala ko alam ko na yung gusto ko. But I didn't know yet what I truly needed. I can still remember back in high school, meron na akong idea ng man of my dreams ko. Meron na akong listahan, expectations, at sariling version ng perfect. But life had other plans. John Orland, you may not be the man of my dreams, but you are the man of my prayers. The answer to the prayers I whispered when I was tired, overwhelmed and unsure. The one I didn't know I needed, but the one God knew was right for me. And today, as your wife, I promise to do the same for you. I promise na palagi kitang pipiliin, na uunahin ka at sasamahan ka sa hirap at ginhawa. I promise to build a home where nothing hurts, kung saan pareho tayong safe at pareho tayong naririnig at napapakinggan. I promise to be your safe space, the same way you have always been mine. And when that comes to us, just know that I would choose this life again kasama ka. Kahit ibig sabihin nun, kailangan kong harapin ulit lahat ng masasakit at lahat ng pangit na nangyari sa buhay ko. Basta alam kong sa dulo, ikaw yung naghihintay sa akin. You are worth every pain and every challenge I've been through. Kasama na doon yung palaging pagsakit ng tiyan ko habang nasa biyahe. Lahat yun ay worth it. Basta alam kong sa dulo, ikaw ang naghihintay sa akin. So today, in front of everyone who loves us, and for all the days God gives us after this, I will choose you in every universe, in every timeline, every reality, and no matter what the variant. I'm with you till the end of the line. I love you always.
Maraming salamat, Orland and Ann, sa inyong mga pangako na pagmamahalan dahil yan ay panimula